What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Man, all right, I'm gonna tell you something. We about to go in and do an inspection on a barber shop that we cleaned this weekend. So I'm about to go in here and see what the guys doing. They in here cutting up. So I just want to pop in to see, how the building is looking. Sometimes, you have to go and do your quality service, quality control. And so that's what we're about to do. Dustin looks real good. Yeah, they loud in there. That's how the barber shop is. But you got that hot Dustin looking real good. Yeah, he got down there. All right. Yeah, we got that down now. It's pretty good.
He's too young, and he got too many opportunities to swing back and forth, go the other way, whatever, to be able to put out there in the world.
Alright, I'm just trying to make sure we got everything taken care of. Oh yeah, we gotta make sure he get back behind now. See, I knew I was gonna find something. Don't look like that's been taken care of. No, it's loud in him. Don't look like that's been taken care of behind the chair. Got him. I seen the spot I got missed. Let's make sure we get him back out. Yeah. That's what he missed there. So this is about 3 days after the clean, so they've been up working about 3 days, and so it looks good. Look good. I see one thing he definitely need to take care of. So technically, the clean looks very well. It's a couple of spots that I want to touch up. It was I want to see if I can get that that vent and behind the chair, but everything else looked real good, man. My team is doing exceptional work right now. I am very pleased with the work that they're putting out. It makes it easier to actually take off a little more when you have people that's putting out good work. And the key to having people putting out good work is to getting people that want to work. Now, how do you get people that want to work? Well, we're going to talk about that in another video.